Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kim and today I have the November Fairyloot YA to unbox together. So, let's get into it. Oh, okay. Without... Jeez! Okay, without further ado... Oh, hello. Okay. So, remove the packing, no card on the top, which means I'm going digging. Bear with me. Aha, I have a card. Okay, the spoiler card for this month. I will turn it around so you can see what the spoilers are. If you do not want to know, look away now. There we go. Okay, and you can look back. Okay, so the theme for this month is Love and Vendetta. Okay, let's pop that down in front of me because you know I'm going to need it. Let's go with the first item. Oh, quite heavy. It's a box. Crimson Moth mug. Oh, okay. Very pretty box. Very pretty box. Moths. Let's open her up. Oh, okay. Is she in one piece? She is in one piece and she's pretty. She is beautiful. Pink on the inside, Fairyloot on the bottom. I quite like that, that's nice. Again, Crimson Moth, I haven't read that yet. Let's go into the spoiler card. So, ceramic mug. If you can hear the kids, I'm sorry, they've just kicked out of school. Designed by the Loco, showcasing Gideon and Rune from the Crimson Moth by Kristen Cicerelli. This mug is perfect for your morning brews. It's not a bad size either. Okay. Let's pop it back in that bubble wrap and in the boxy because you know what I'm like with breakables. I will break it. Next. Oh. More bubble wrap, another box. Open up. That's the bubble wrap. Sticky. The World of Stephanie Garber calendar. Okay. She's in plastic, so we'll have to get her out. I read a couple from Stephanie Garber. Are you going to be able to get it out? There we go, okay. Oh, apple. Is this like the design we had last year? It is like the design we had last year. So, oh, hello. So we have like a little plate, little wooden standy thingy, and then you pop your card in there and pop it on your desk. Very good idea. Let's go through each card. Can't tell you who they all are, but we can go through them, we can look at them. They are gold gilded on the end as well, which is lovely. Okay, so we have January. What I also like is on the back, you can just have it plain without the date. So you've got January, February, March, April, very good month, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there you go. Very good, foiled. It's a good idea, I like it. All I need is a desk and I can use it. So, let's check the card. 2025 foiled desk calendar, designed by Kalisami, if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. Featuring character artwork from the worlds of Stephanie Garber, your favourites from the Caravel and Once Upon a Broken Heart series. In order, oh okay, in order. So I can tell you who they are, because I have an order. Okay, let's go through them again. Oh, can I leave it? Ah, can a monster? Yes, lean up against my monster. Okay, so we have, in order, Scarlet, Julian, Donatella, Jax, Legend, Fallen Star, Luke, Apollo, Lala, Chaos, and Jax. Oh, Jax again, you're welcome. And Evangeline. So there you go. That's who they all are from the world of Stephanie Garber. Let's pop them back in there. I have read the Once Upon a Broken Heart series. And I think I've read Caravel, but I didn't continue on with the series. So maybe next year. I've got a whole series thing going on. Let's go back in. What else have we got? Oh, it's a fabric item. Oh, is this tea towel? It's a kitchen towel. Sea and Vine kitchen towel. Open her up. Sea and Vine kitchen towel with some very delicious foods on there. That's pretty and very useful. I do actually need some new tea towels. Kitchen towels if you're in America. We call them tea towels here in England. Designed by Chloe Z Arts, or Chloe Z Arts. Bring the delicious Sicilian delicacies from Sea and Vine right to your kitchen. Inspired by Kingdom of the Wicked by Carrie Maniscalco. Another series I have to finish. I have started it. I did enjoy the first one, so I really need to get on to my series and finish them off. But a very, very useful item. Okay, next. Oh, hello. Oh, this feels like a dagger replica. It's a little Fairyloot baggie. It's a tied Fairyloot baggie, hold on. Struggles. We are in, and we are, oh, okay. We might be in, but we're not out yet, hold on. Okay, I'm out. Oh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Centre there, that's pretty, okay. What's in this? Designed by No One Designs, depicting a fearsome hound-like Halmasti. This unique dagger is from Fashia's Wrath by Emily Varga. Very, very pretty. Very pretty, okay. Just a little decorative item. Can't help but feel the bag needs to be a little bit bigger for a look. Get in there. Oh, she's sticking out the corner. Oh dear. Struggles. Okay, we're in. Okay, so what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that must be it. Move the baggie to one side for a moment. Oh, hello. Another item. Ooh, a Deadly Education metal bookmarks. Okay, let's open her up. Oh. They're pretty and useful. I've never used a metal bookmark before. So, I haven't got a book to hand either. Except in the baggie. But, very useful. Okay, what are these? Magnetic bookmarks designed by No One Designs. Add a touch of magic to your pages with this set of bookmarks inspired by A Deadly Education by Naomi Novik. Very useful. I'm liking this box. This box isn't that bad. Okay. And we go right to the bottom. We have this month's 2 tarot cards. In every single box, you get 2 tarot cards. Eventually, you get enough boxes, you get enough tarot to make a whole deck. I've got to be getting close. I've got to be getting close. Right, who are these people? They feature Dania as the Ace of Planets and Mazin as the 2 of Planets. Characters from She Is Wrath by Emily Varga. I think I know what the book might be this month. Very good. Let's go into the book baggie. Open her up. In here we should have this month's bookmark. Every single month you get a bookmark, has the date on it and the theme, and goes with the spoiler card. Slip it in your book and you know which month it came in, because I always forget. Also in here we should have, as we do, this month's Fairy Scoop, which has a interview with our author, some upcoming reads. On the back we have next month's theme and a photo challenge for this box. Next month's theme being Dragon Lore. From the shimmer of ancient scales to fierce breaths of fire, this box celebrates dragons. Soar through stories that feature these legendary creatures, where every thunderous roar and every wing beat carries the promise of magic and adventure. In this box you'll find items inspired by Daughter of the Moon Goddess, The Night Ends with Fire, our featured book of the month, and 2 fandom neutral items. We're excited to reveal that this box will also include our next blanket, as well as the next set of foil bookmarks. Next month's box is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I do love their blankets. Our book of the month is an incredible historical fantasy about dragon linguistics with a dark academia setting and featuring enemies to lovers romance. Follow the heroine on this thrilling adventure to save the country by encoding the secrets of dragon languages. Okay. Don't tend to get along with too much with historical, but I'm willing to give it a go. Okay, time to go into that book. Which way does it go? That way, I reckon. Okay, so the Fairyloot YA book for November is... Oh, hello. For She Is Wrath by Emily Varga. That's quite pretty. She's foiled. Very orange and red. Okay, spine. Oh, I like the spine. Rear. She says, the whispers grow louder, like the stones themselves were speaking to me, like the earth had been cleaved in two and begun talking, and that one word rose again, above the rest, an incantation and warning all at once. Revenge. Very good, very good. We have black, solid top and bottom, and oh, that is stunning. Those colours are just popping on that background. That's a pretty edge. That is a pretty edge. It's got underneath dust jacket. Oh, little crack. We have a reversible dust jacket. Very nice, very nice. I think I prefer that one. Yeah, I prefer that one. Okay. Oh, leave that dust jacket. Those end papers foiled. Beautiful. And rear. Oh. Buckling action. Beautiful. Hardcover. Printed and foiled. Spine. And the rear. Very pretty, very pretty. Let's do a flick. Oh, look at all those blank pages. It's a bugbear. It is a bugbear. Blank pages at the back of a book. It's a bugbear, I'm sorry. Oh, we got exclusive Fairyloot chapter at the back. So minus that, and minus acknowledgements. 383 pages. Okay. We have a Dear Fairyloot reader in there, printed and signed. I do like that handwriting. And she's also signed at the front as well. Okay, let's pop it back in that dust jacket and find out what this one is about. Okay. What if the man you loved was the very person who betrayed you? Dania has been betrayed by her lover and falsely imprisoned for a crime she didn't commit. She's counting down the days until she can exact her revenge, when a fellow prisoner offers her a chance at escape and the keys to a dangerous gin magic. Armed with a brand new identity and all the power she could want, Dania enacts a plan to bring down those who cheated her and her family. But when the one person standing in her way is the very man who signed her life away, retribution becomes a complicated game of cat and mouse. Because betrayal isn't simple, and revenge certainly isn't easy. Not when your heart is involved. Okay. Sounds pretty good. What do you guys think? That's stunning. Come talk to me down below. Right, favourite item besides the book. Oh, I don't know. I love the tea towel because it's very practical. I love the mug, it's pretty. And I love the calendar as well because it's very useful. What's your favourite item in this box? Let me know down below. But there you go, that is the November Fairyloot YA. As always, down in my description box you can find a link to all of my socials. Come give me a follow on Goodreads, on Instagram, on X and on StoryGraph. You can like this video, you can comment and you can subscribe if you want to. Want to let me know you're here without actually talking to me? Leave me the fire emoji and I'll see you next time. Toodles.